Hey everyone, so today we are going to discuss what is React.js. So basically, React.js is a JavaScript library which is used to design the user interface of a web application. Now, React.js is an open source library, so it can be developed by anyone and it is mostly controlled by the Facebook developers. So basically React is simple to learn. You can learn it in the span of 2 months and it mostly use the third parties libraries. That is the reason it is very less in the content, and in that less content you will get all these things which you require to design and user interface. Now you can learn React by simply going to the official website of reactjs.org. Now over here you will see all the topics of React.js. Now when you start on React.js, you need to learn only the main concepts of React. After you learn all the 12 points, you can easily design a web application. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to create React app and learn all the points one by one. So thank you for watching and stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.